Good morning, everyone. Today we can discuss on entrepreneurship, meaning, and woman entrepreneur. I am Dr. Krishna Sudhir, a professor, Department of Management Studies, Vardhaman College of Engineering, Hyderabad. Today, the topic is an entrepreneurship. It is the ability and readiness to develop, organize, and run a business enterprise, along with any of its uncertainties, in order to make a profit. Every person is looking for a profit. The most prominent example of entrepreneurship is the starting of a new business. In economics in generally, entrepreneurship connected with land, labor, natural resources, and capital. It can generate a profit. The entrepreneurial vision is defined by discovery and risk taking, and is an indispensable part of nation's capacity to succeed in an ever-changing and more competitive global marketplace. The next one is in entrepreneurship, we have three questions generally: collective innovation, adventurous, integrity. With these three, it is focusing on 10 questions. First, you take collective innovation. So, collective innovation is, does the company focus on innovation? Second question is innovation in existing products or services, sensitivity to the market and ability to innovate. Innovation is the organization and management of the company and a team. And you think about adventurous, in generally in project selection, risk preference is too high risk and high reward. And every time we can take a bold and aggressive approach to increase the likelihood of capturing potential opportunities. And everywhere there is facing a financial pressure, of course cash flow is relatively tight. In addition to, or on top of it, integrity, great emphasis on product quality and service management. And the second question is determination and strength to resolve user complaints and suggestions. Third is the company attaches great importance to the fulfillment and implementation of commitment to employees. The next one is woman entrepreneur. In this case, woman entrepreneur is, there is a full form of woman. First word W stands for a wheel of a family, O stands for ocean of knowledge, M stands for mirror of children, A stands for address of love, N stands for a navigator of lifeboat. Next thing is one woman going to play 7 roles. She is a home manager. Instead of saying a home manager, you can say she is a domestic engineer. Next, she is a finance manager. She is a relationship manager. She is a well-being manager. She is the next generation manager. She is a PR manager. She is a self-manager. And many things you can find out. Hope people have understood an idea about an entrepreneurship and woman entrepreneurship, what are the roles she can play. So this is a small description on entrepreneurship. Hope you understood. You can see or you can catch up in next one with business plan in module 2. Thank you very much for your patience. Thank you.